Now, you know, the precision of gamma knife radiosurgery results in minimal damage to healthy tissues surrounding the target, and in some cases a lower risk of side effects compared with other types of radiation therapy. And I had asked you a question a couple segments ago before we started getting calls about who it is, I guess which forms of disorders you see for gamma knife, and then of course how someone can get to that point. Do they go to their primary physician or oncologist? How do they get referred to a gamma knife specialist?
So once someone is found to have a brain tumor or a brain malfunction or a functional issue in the brain, and that's usually when they're referred to us. So people don't know it right away. So what happens is people have some sort of a headache or some sort of neurological change, and they see their primary care physician. It could be like Brian, who called earlier, that had a new onset of dyslexia. It could be anything like that. And they see their primary care physician, and their primary care physician usually orders a number of tests, may send them to a neurologist. He or she may get a CAT scan or MRI of the brain. If they find an abnormality in the brain, then those sort of patients then wind up going to a neurosurgeon and or a radiation oncologist. So if they see the neurosurgeon or they see the neurologist and they're found to have a lesion in the brain, that's when the discussion comes up as to how to properly treat it. Should it be treated with medications? Should it be treated with surgery? And if it should be treated surgically, should it be treated with conventional neurosurgery or with radiosurgery with the gamma knife system?
All right, now we had a question come in via Twitter, and the person was wondering, do you have to shave your head for the treatment? It's very important to us, you know.
No, you don't have to shave your
No,
head.
okay, very
And there's
good.
no hair loss because since the radiation comes in from many, many spots around the head, the scalp itself gets a very trivial amount of radiation, so there's no hair loss associated with it.